Good morning friends. Today we are going to prepare a puff pastry with the help of lamination method. We are going to use a French method for preparing puff pastry. We have a ready-made dough which is soft dough prepared with the help of half kg of refined flour and some salt and water. We have also added some lemon so that flour bleaches nicely. We have margarine to prepare a puff pastry. Ratio for the puff pastry is 1:1. So if you use half kg of flour to prepare a dough, you have to use half kg of margarine to laminate the same. We are going to use French method. For this reason, we have 3 equal parts of the margarine. Now we have rolled a dough nicely. We will apply margarine on 2/3 of the dough from this to this side. We will keep a margin of at least half to 1 inch from all the sides so that margarine doesn't come out when folding. Here we have already softened the margarine so that it will spread easily. Apply gently. Now we see that we have laminated 2/3 part of the rolled dough with the help of margarine. Now this margarine will laminate the layers of this puff pastry. We are going to fold this side first so that fat will be spread evenly in all the folds. This is the way we are going to fold gently. We have kept margin from this side in order to avoid any spill out while rolling. This is one fold and we are going to fold this over this layer. You have to do it very gently. Now we are going to roll this once again. We are going to refrigerate this folded dough for 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure the tray is dusted. In the next process, we are going to utilize this margarine with the same process. After refrigeration, we will take a folded dough out and we are going to roll it once again and repeat the lamination process again. Gently roll it so that the laminated margarine doesn't come out. This is the final stage of raw dough which is used for puff pastry. You can see it's quite stiff, hard, and it is nicely laminated. You can see the fold which is very stiff. Now we'll roll it and finish up our product. So this is rolled dough for the puff pastry. We are going to cut them as we have lined them. After cutting, we'll fill them with the filling and bake it into the oven. This is how you can cut them. Do it very gently. You can also use a pizza cutter for this. It is advisable to dust your knife before you cut it, so that the dough will not stick to the knife. Filling on it, on each cut dough or the pastry. Do not overfill. Now our potato puffs are ready to fold. We are going to apply some water in order to seal them at the corners like this. Do not use too much of water, just to seal it. going to fold it. Press here gently. Do not press too hard. Again, repeat. After fold, you will find your puffs like this, open from the sides and seal at the corner. Now we are going to put some water wash so that it does not dry up. Let them go into a tray. Keep some distance in between. We are going to put a thin water wash like this. Very gently. Crispy potato puff is ready to eat.